In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can use toothpaste to restore your car's headlights, as well as my thoughts on the process. Before I get into the details, I just want to make it clear that using toothpaste is not going to yield the same results as using professional compound polish and a buffing machine. But if you're just simply looking to enhance the look of your car, it's definitely going to do the trick. I already have a video up on the channel as to how you can make your headlights look as brand new as possible if that's the direction you're going for. But if you simply want to enhance the look of your car, this is definitely the video for you.
Toothpaste has grits in it that help to break down the surface. As you rub the toothpaste in, it will finally remove the top layer of gunk. Whether you're brushing your teeth or restoring your car's headlights, the functionality of the toothpaste remains the same. First, start by masking off the surrounding area. It will prevent the toothpaste from getting onto the paint. You can even use the panel gaps to slide the masking tape in. You'll want to make sure the surface is clean. I'm using a clay bar which will remove embedded contaminants. I wanted to try out a couple different techniques. The first one being to simply apply toothpaste into a microfiber pad and rub it in. You can see as I'm working the toothpaste in, it's starting to regain clarity. This method works well, but the issue I found is that the toothpaste is very sticky, so rubbing it in by hand can get tiring as the toothpaste doesn't do a good job of lubricating the surface. Keep rubbing it in until it starts to clear up. You can reapply the toothpaste as needed. Once you're ready, go ahead and wipe it off. I found that when wiping it off, it's quite sticky, so it took more effort than if I were to be wiping off polish. A trick I used is to simply use car soap and water to help with getting it off completely. Here's the before and after. For most, this will be good enough. Toothpaste doesn't break down like automotive polish, where as you work it in, the grit becomes finer and finer. It stays the same the whole time, which is why you won't see as crystal clear results with toothpaste. Although, I wanted to see how clear I could get them using toothpaste, I decided to try out my dual action polisher. Now, keep in mind, if you have a polisher, you most likely have automotive compound and polish as well. But, just to experiment, I wanted to try it out. Using a polisher, you'll be able to work the toothpaste in much easier and at a faster rate as well. The main issue is simply that the toothpaste is way too sticky to use on cars. Once again, I'll wipe it off and here's the result.
I wouldn't call this a headlight restoration, I would simply call it an enhancement. If you really want to restore them to like new condition, you're going to have to sand them and then polish them. Now keep in mind, all cars don't need sanding, but for the most part, a car like my Camry would actually need sanding and then polishing. That's going to get you professional results. Simply using toothpaste, like I said, is only going to enhance it. So let me know what you guys think. If you have any additional tips on this, let me know in the comment section down below. But for now, if you enjoyed the video, go ahead and drop a like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.